How can NRIs manage between debt funds and FDs? Chief Financial Planner Mr. Ramalingam will explain this now.
Now the interest rate is at peak and it does not go up further. It may be a good opportunity for NRIs also to invest in debt funds so that subsequently when the interest rate falls down, they will be having premium in the NAV that can help. That is point number one. Yes. Second, from the asset allocation rebalancing perspective, if you are keeping all the money in FD, when the equity market is down, you want to rebalance from debt to equity, it is not possible. So though you can keep your money in FD, some portion of the money it is practically needed to be kept in debt funds so that asset allocation rebalancing is possible. So practically though you are having tax disadvantage in a debt fund, it's better to keep some money for asset allocation rebalancing purpose.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.